me, I feel I'm drowning inside. It's getting harder to breathe, I might not make it to tomorrow. Something to...
How's fishing going on this wonderful evening?
It's just fucking great, guys. I gotta say, it's a fucking W. I love it. And I love...
What do you think about that sunset?
Huh? The sunset is great. It's just wonderful.
How's fishing going on this fantastic evening?
Dude, I think I got one on.
Nope.
Alright.
What's up, motherfuckers? We are back with a review. It's been a minute. Look at this shit, baby. McCrispy strips.
Got the fucking chili fucking
Yeah, that looks
sauce. Bro, you already know I gotta go with ranch. I'm sorry.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Alright.
Whoa, I got a dong.
Oh, Lord. Oh, fuck.
God damn.
Just the nutsack.
Huh? What we doing here, McDicks, huh?
Chicken nuts.
Bruh.
This shit finna have my fucking cholesterol through the roof.
Baby G, what you think?
Best Don's item.
There's a lot of people out there that don't like sweet tea, and I get that, but you're fucking weird.
Sorry that whoever made it for you the first time was dog shit. Sorry you haven't got a good brand. Gold motherfucking
pig, dude.
Bam.
If you can't do that, get some Milos.
I was about to say Milo's, bro. Oh, McDonald's, what we doing here, bro? What's up? Who y'all trying to make me look like? Keep giving me dongs and shit. I need a quick breathe break. I was down in them. And so is this dude over here. He's almost done. God, both of these fat asses are almost fucking done, dude. Holy
Big bag. I just ran up a fucking mountain today.
And Baby G was doing that good fishing.
Besides, oh, A-W, my I want to take all of it, so I'm gonna go ahead.
The pesticides are setting in.
I give those bitches a 9 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 9.6.
Bro, I'm gonna give that shit a 10 just cause it's Don's.
All right. Next segment. I don't know if y'all can see me, but we night fishing in this motherfucker. I'll put the big ass light on when we get to the spot. Right now, we setting up. This would be the best time, bro. I'm about to play that Uncle Cracker song.
Huh? Mine.
It's not yours?
No.
It's not, cause I took yours off.
Yeah, this is a fresh one.
Oh, we got another. Fuck me. Whew. Lord. Oh yeah. Eating like fucking Carnation Royalty and Leon and this bitch. What's up, y'all? We out here night fishing. A bunch of busters.
Let me tell you, man, the Habibis are walking around.
Huh? Habibi. Habibi.
LAX all red on bleed. Niggas whooping ain't doing no T. Sex with you is like deceiving me. I don't care.
So I'm like half naked out here, right? But there's like 5 fish that are just swimming in this little cove pond type thing here. Like, so one of them goes on the coast you can catch with your hand. But they're not fucking biting.
Now she all about cheese. I gave my heart out one time and threw away the key.
Alright, on top of all the fishing clips, you get UFC, baby.
Dude, Todd
Like
Howard
game
fell
where
off
you
on
never
that shit.
PvP before. Like it was genuinely like even in the beginning.
I just found John's Burberry. You know I'm putting this shit on, bro. Not match the fit though? Let go. John don't want a group
You ain't never
piss.
sword fight with your bro? Are you really, bro?
Yo, what is going on here? I'm cutting that to make it look like you guys went in there together.
You can't see
What? Nah, nah. Nah.
Hey, look at this. Bro's trying to be the main character.
Trying to not the main character.
Shots fired!
Oh.
Oh, fuck, that wasn't my hit. Alright, fuck you.
What?
Alright, what's in here? Alright, what is this? Lemon goons to our voices in the Discord. Huh? Don't act like you didn't hear that. It's a known fact. Lemon jerks off to our voices in the Discord.
It's true. On Defin.
Guys, she asked who. Guys, she asked who our voices are. Hey,
Lemon Goons in the Discord calls.
LJ knows too. LJ knows too. Dude, it's what the fuck?
He does not have black belly.
Black Days. Bro, you missed
I love Paul. I love Paul. Greatest movie ever.
We do not care.
Oh, freaky ass.
Hey, turn it down. Turn it down. Turn it down.
Pass me on this road.
Yeah. No. Turn left at the stoplight. Hey, roll down the window.
That shit smells toxic.
What'd you do?
Broken what?
He said, "Don't get in the truck bed. It's broken."
Chat, we in the back of this bitch. Backing up. On the top of the world. Balls, butt, booty, naked.
Hey, don't stop filming.
We gay and cuddling.
Turn, help.
Taking his pants off.
Huh?
Taking
that's
his
a joint.
pants
Be cautious of
off.
that.
Look at that beautiful view of the city. Birthday spanking. Like, comment, subscribe, stay in touch. Stay tuned. More coming soon.
Word, I'm bag chasing, no time for that silly beef. What's the word? You got a deal, it better be a million at least. Stoner boy, I love to smoke. Hey, Snoop cannot compete with me. Baby Glock, that back up on. I'm talking about that 33, 357 to his chest. Ain't gon' talk, you know the rest. She don't really fuck with you.
Don't do it. I'll chop you the fuck up, bitch.